Let's look at if and logical function simultaneously. The company now puts a condition saying commission is not on entire sales and commission is applicable on product-wise sales. This table shows the names of the salesperson, coolers, fans, sales amount for the month by the salesperson, and of course the sales commission at 2%. Here the condition is when coolers and fans each makes a sale of 50,000, that is the coolers should be at 50,000 and fans also should be the sales of 50,000, then only the salesperson is entitled to earn a commission of 2%. Now let's look how to apply the formula. Is equals to, if press tab and use AND, this is nothing but a nested function. Whenever there is a function within the bracket, that is called as a nested function. Then the tab, now select the first one. As said, the cells should be 50,000 or greater to achieve the commission, comma, greater than or equal to 50,000 and close the bracket. Then this 90,000 is my overall sales, comma. Now set the company is offering 2%, so into 2% of commission, and for those employees who are not achieving the task, the company is saying them to work hard. That's it. Press enter. Oh, now here Arjun has not achieved the sales of 50,000 in coolers and the company has said him to work hard. Now let's see what happens to the rest of the salesperson. The company here is offering the commission to 2 employees because Chanakya and Feroz both exceeded the sales of more than 50,000 in coolers and more than 50,000 in fans. So that is the reason they are entitled for receiving a commission of 2%. This is about the if and logical function.